Yes, switching from SafeLink Wireless to Assurance Wireless is possible because both are operated by TracFone Wireless, a subsidiary of Verizon. This makes transferring your existing phone number and service relatively straightforward under the FCC's Lifeline program. The Lifeline program subsidizes wireless access for qualifying low-income individuals. Make sure your number and service are active before attempting to transfer. The process is essentially a port-in that keeps your number intact. Verify your eligibility on the Assurance Wireless website or by calling 1-888-898-4888 before you begin the steps. To switch from SafeLink to Assurance Wireless, you must first qualify for the Lifeline program. This requires either an income at or below 135% of the federal poverty guidelines or participation in qualifying assistance programs. Next, gather your necessary documents. You'll need a government-issued photo ID and proof of your income or participation in a qualifying assistance program. Now apply online at assurancewireless.com. Select the transfer option and provide your SafeLink account details, including your account number and PIN. You may need to choose a compatible phone, though both SafeLink and Assurance Wireless offer free device options, including Samsung and Moto models. Confirm the transfer, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days. You'll receive a new SIM kit to activate your service. Don't forget to return any SafeLink-provided phone to avoid potential fees. Follow the instructions provided with your new equipment. Note that both SafeLink and Assurance Wireless are prepaid services with no contracts. They offer free devices and carryable plans, including free minutes, texts, and data.